Hey there, if you're new here, we are Dom and Dan, and we've set ourselves one goal this year in 2025 to explore and document as much of Australia as possible. Thanks for watching this video and for joining us on the journey.
And we'll just follow the road.
Hey, who you talking to?
Hello?
We're currently in probably the world's oldest rainforest. It's one of, but it's believed to be one. It's believed to be the oldest rainforest. About 180 million years old. The Amazon is only 10 million. So yeah, we're here today. We've got our little audio things, self-guided tours and maps. Yeah, so we're just exploring the absolute beauty of nature. Some of these trees are just awe-inspiring. Like, wow. I'm lost for words. Can I just say, if you are Aussie and you haven't been to Cape Tribulation or visited the Daintree Rainforest, you have to get here. Cape Tribulation is phenomenal. You know, Daintree Rainforest is 180 million years old, one of the oldest in the world. Just being under these trees is just can't even describe it. I really can't.
A wild croc. See?
Oh
And
my.
that's not mine.
Oh my.
That's nice.
What a lovely walk. I hope it's not too windy for a bit of vlogging here, but thought I'd impart some important knowledge that we learned yesterday on a crocodile cruise. It was pretty cool. So number one, yes, you can't swim in the ocean here, but if you stay at least about 5 meters away from the water source, you will be fine. As you can see, we are pretty far away in safe distance here. We are enjoying the walk on the sand, however, but it is important to note that, of course, that is their territory, and they've been here a lot longer than what we have. So, you know, if you stay out of their territory, you'll be fine. The other thing is that I didn't know, and I learnt yesterday, that in 1971, the crocodiles were considered then an endangered species, because prior to 1971 they were hunted absolutely barbarically, and so they became a protected species. Now when you hear things like on the news that there's a lot of crocodiles around and they're infesting, they cannot infest their natural habitat that they've been around for in millions of years, in my opinion. And the other thing is that they are just now becoming they're sort of getting closer to Brisbane, because that's actually where they were anyway. So they are just recovering in their numbers, and yeah, I think it's important to note when, you know, the media do try and spin something that they've been around a lot longer than us. There's also something to do with the Queensland government. There was, I think it's Fitzroy River or something like that, that they are thinking of killing all the crocodiles in this certain river for a rowing event for the 2032 Olympics, which I find is quite disgusting. We're talking, you know, decades old of crocodiles just being put down for human pleasure for a 2-3 day event, which I thought I'd share because that is quite disgusting. And again, just another example of how low humanity can sometimes be. But anyway, we are enjoying this walk. We're enjoying the sunshine. It was a cool morning today. Cool morning meaning like 21 degrees Celsius, so it's cool for up here, apparently. So yeah. Well, very what? Gonna be more in it. Do you have anything to say?
No, I just wanted to be in it.
About our week.
It's been very chill. What did we leave off?
I can't remember. Last Tuesday, I don't know. Anyway, big milestone. And we made it up the east coast as far as we could. We probably could have gone one more town, but yeah, it would have taken us half a day to get there. We would have had to go sort of back down inland around, anyway, taking the scenic route, except that I don't think there was much to do inland, so on the way to that town. Anyway, we made it up the east coast. We are feeling, well, I'm feeling pretty happy about that. Yeah, it's a big milestone, very big milestone. We have decided to continue on. We have booked Uluru.
The turkeys got the zoomies.
Yeah, the turkeys are soon past. Anyway, they're wild turkeys. Anyway, so we have booked Uluru for 2 weeks' time, I
Yeah.
think, roughly. We've currently come back down south to Cairns. We're going to do a few spot checks, and make sure do a few preparations for our big trip inland. It's a little bit daunting because it's very, sort of
Remote.
very remote. Coming up, not in the next vlog. Next vlog's going to be probably a little bit about Cairns. We're staying here till the weekend. I've got a gig. Then we're going into sort of the hinterlands of Cairns. Anyway, it'll be all about that next vlog. But the vlog after will be our travelling to Uluru. Yes, the red rock, the big red rock in the sort of
Heart
centre.
of Australia.
Sort of the centre of Australia. So
It's the heart of Australia.
yeah, something like that. But yeah, that's going to be something else. So make sure you subscribed, make sure you got the bell notification on, and I think that's about it for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.